Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to use Canva templates. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Alright, open canva.com and log in your profile. Alright, and click on templates, left corner. Okay, and business, social media, print product, education, video, marketing, cart, and alright, and etc. Workits, marketing, sales, human resource, creativity. Scroll down, Facebook post and Instagram stories. Scroll down, flyers and presentation, video, docs, whiteboard, poster, logo. Alright, and resume. YouTube, Tumblr, left menu, business, social media, and card, postcard, print product, marketing, video, Facebook, video message, mobile video, video collage, YouTube video, and etc. Alright, right video, TikTok, and quiz TikTok video. Alright, and click on filter, scroll down, price free or pro, click on free, and select style, select them, and TikTok, and select language, future, animal, video, audio, and topic. Alright, click on apply and search your like it templates and click on and customize this template. Alright, and click on background, click on edit, pick filters. Alright, click on background color. Alright, gradients, click on black, settings. Alright, and click on opacity. Alright, then, and double click text and change text, and click on this and check you. Alright, and click on right corner, share, and click on download, and select file type, JPEG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, and MP4 video or GIF, MP4 video or GIF. Alright, click on MP4 video. Alright, and click on download. Alright, it's download, and click on open and check. Alright, video is download, is finished, and that's all.